I beg my people, wetin we get to talk today. Mona no dey force Ebony say go marry, go marry. Marriage no be achievement. Marriage no be achievement for life. Na wetin person use him hand do, na dem dey talk. No be marriage, no be achievement. And for those of una wey dey laugh shine say she be barren, I tell God beg una, Mona no dey laugh her again. She no be God wey dey give children. Na God dey give children. No be shine go fit give herself pikin when God never ready to bless her again. And for Ebony, Mona no dey laugh her again say Ebony go marry, you no get boyfriend. Who tell una say Ebony no get boyfriend? Ebony no dey mugele. You no dey do the do pro. Why una go say you no get boyfriend? Mona no dey force anybody for marriage because marriage no be achievement. Mona no dey push person say go born. Una no plan when shine with her husband get say for now we never need children. Because this una want too much. Go marry, go born, go do this one. So my people, hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. My people, we don come again with another ogbonge matter. As una know na wetin we dey do for this channel. Na comment section we dey go, we dey waka all comment section. Anyone wey we know say we go fit do, we go still come out use am for video. Today we dey on Ebony comment section. Yes, so Ebony Obasuyi, Ebony billion. We dey on your comment section today because of the ongoing saga between Ebony and Shine Francis matter still dey on ground. So as they drop am, na so we dey follow the bumper to bumper. Mona no vex o, my people, is our work o. Na wetin we know how to do. So my wonderful people, if una know say una never subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to support this channel. And please on your notification bell in case whenever I make magala, una go receive them for we on a day. God bless you, my amazing people. So we go on the comment section. Before we go on the comment section, Mona, may we tell una wetin she talk for her post when she drop. She can't drop one post. She can't say when a woman married out of frustration, depression, or to provide to prove to her ex that she is still hot, she must surely end up unhappy in the marriage until take a chill pill. You know, now I know say if we dey edit wetin our topic dey all about, we go put am for the screen so that una go dey see wetin we people dey draw comments all about, why they draw different comments. So my wonderful people, mo go on the comment section, mo see our aproko people talk. Yes, so mo talk, see wetin our commenter talk about this post when Ebony drop. Okay, let's go to the comment section. Our first comment today, what would they take? Say, trust me dear, she's missing you. He say me Ebony trust and say Shine Francis they miss Ebony. Now make this matter no one finish for grants. So the other person can say true life story. Okay. And another person can say now depression they worry her now. I must marry Europe man. Emoji of laugh. And the other one can say beautiful, talented, hard-working sisters. Make una let love lead. Oh. Nothing dey this life. Oh. Peace is the ultimate. And another one can say, my dear, you still remain the Edo Mercy Johnson, dear. Not be small, our Edo Mercy Johnson. And this person come reply this one say anything wey una like make una dey talk o. I don talk my own, we move. Love you mami Edo Mercy Johnson Okworigaga. Edo Mercy Johnson Ebony aka Edo Mercy Johnson, no be small. So the other one come say may God help us all to make a right choice of relationship. Amen. Amen. Amen and amen. No be say person dey marry, let me marry. Na to marry, get peace for that marriage. Some people go, they mock you now, say, go marry, go marry. Your mate don marry. No be to marry that they talk. No be to see me say I dey husband house when I'm not happy. No be to see me say this girl she don marry o. They will ask how far na babe you dey hear from that girl? That girl she don marry o. Wetin una suppose to dey as in wetin we suppose to care about is that is she happy? That her husband dey treat her good? Na wetin we suppose to care about, no be to go marry. See your mate don marry, see your mate don marry. No. So now our next commenter can say, Ebony, you too much. Ebony get fans, so hey, Ebony get fans well. He choke. Mona no let am choke una sha. So our next commenter can say, our booking go cry today o. Emoji of laugh. This one can say marriage is 100% sweet. Me, I dey always dey talk about marriage well. This one say marriage is 100% sweet. Yes, we know say marriage is 100% sweet. But not all marriage. You fit dey lucky say you marry, your marriage favor you. What about the other person come marry, say the marriage no come favor am? Wetin una come make person do? Marriage is 100% sweet when you find the one, the rightful person that love you for who you are. When somebody come say, okay, I don marry, you are not happy, the person no dey show concern, you wan call that one sweet or bitter? My sister, think well. Yes, you fit dey lucky say God favor you, God bless you with a good man that cares about you. The other person fit dey unlucky too. Like Shan now, she fit dey very lucky say this man come her life, come change her life. He give her happiness. The other person fit say, Shine don marry o, may I marry because Shine don marry. May I hurry enter husband house because Shine don marry. She go come dey unlucky. Na so this marriage be. So let's take our next comment. He say, you are on point, my lovely Ebony. So the other one can say, why fighting each other? There is nothing like peace and unity. Make una settle this matter, please. Yes, I beg, make una try. Make una settle this matter. Share, if you know say you still like Ebony as your paddy, call her. Call am. Tell her say, babe, wetin be all this nonsense wey me and you dey do? Let's forget all these fights. And Ebony, if you know say you still like Shine as your paddy, call her. She was your friend. To call me, I get friends wey I no dey talk to. If I wan call them today to make peace, na once. Babe, how far na, how you dey? You fit come greet me, I'll buy you tickets. If you don finish, fit dey call say wetin dey do this one, na me dey talk to like that. Who go come visit you? Use play. If you don finish, na so e be. So let's take our next comment. He say, make everyone take am easy, abeg. Remember, you are one of the best in my class. That new scar. Let peace lead. Wow, Ebony was one of the best in her class. no be small. Let's take our next comment. Our next commenter come say, now wow, this one na Benin to Benin now, not another tribe. Say, where is the peace and love we preach? How Nigeria wan take be one nation? E no go fit be. E no go fit be. Nigeria no love. When they see their self, they fight their self. They prefer to like carry. They will see Ghana. Me na fit be Nigeria. I come see this person na Nigeria, the other one na Ghana. I will prefer to follow that Ghana person than to follow Nigeria, because we no love ourselves. But if Ghana person, if there's maybe for example now say I be Ghana, this person na Ghana, this one na Nigeria, me wey be Ghana, I go follow my Ghana brother or my Ghana sister. But we now as Nigeria, you see your Nigeria person, they prefer to follow Ghana than to follow their Nigeria person. I don't know if una dey understand me, my people. So let's take our next comment, my people. It says, shine, jealousy is too much. Even the man she is talking about dumped the woman that brought him abroad after 4 children and marry shine the barren. God forgive you, my sister. Why you go dey call person barren now? One of the commenters, we sometimes if we dey use fake account dey comment for people video, e no good. Most still dey at least still consider person, say that person na still human being. Why calling her barren? Na she be no, na she be person, na she be God when they give children. She no be God. Anytime when God feel like say I wan give her, God go bless her and everybody go surprise. Me, I no support that one when you dey call her barren. So let's see, people reply her. This one say, that is not fair. Yes, it's not fair. Don't call anybody barren. It's very bad. And the other one say, Madam Filthiness. Is it when you see, is it you when never see life finish, they laugh person? Yeah, it's so bad. Say you can't call her barren. You say, how can you call somebody barren? So bad. Take her easy, my dear. And the other person can say, Ebony, please do not reply her. Everyone knows she betrayed you twice, not once. And the other one can say, one thing that I have learned in this life is that no matter what you are going through in life, keep it to yourself. You see, this life, there is nothing like best friends. Nothing like best friends. Because tomorrow when you choose to say you no wan follow that your best friend, all your secrets, your best friend go leak am out. Maybe when you even have issue with that your best friend, all your secrets, they go leak am to your enemy. Me when they talk, so I don't see many things for best friend. Now my child is my best friend. I don't see many things. Best friend won't even know you, say you will not go fit key fry. They will go your back, go they say wetin you not do, they put on for your head. Best friend will be say you and them do something together. You and them enjoy that thing do one. They go your back, go they narrate you, say now you lead them to that thing. I don't see things for best friend. So anything called best friend, in not our dictionary. We can be friends. Nothing like best friend. Nothing like best friend. So let's take our next comment. Say, marriage is not must. Is not must. Is a chance now. My people, May I read that? Say, is a chance na depression make that sister go marry that mumuma. Is only Olivia Oye that can impregnate Shine. Spain cannot impregnate her. Now, wow, my people, our mouth no good though. Mo, if we dey support person, abeg, mo try dey support person with our brain, abeg. Mo no just dey do mumu. At least she don carry pikin for 9 months before. Ebony pikin no marry. Ebony pikin no marry, no be juju be that. Abeg, mo na leave Ebony alone. If Ebony decide say she wan marry, mo na leave her. If she decide say she never wan marry, mo na leave am. The poor girl, she know why she never wan marry. I no know why una dey force her. And for Shine, mo na no dey laugh her again say she never born. At least she don born before. No be say she just dey say pikin never enter. Abeg, mo make we commenters mo know wetin, as we dey draw comment na human being we dey use that comment dey refer to. Mo no comment wey we go dey drop. We are all human being, we get feelings. Ebony marry or e no marry is not your business. Shine born join her pikin, e no feel like to born join her pikin, e no be una business. Una no know why she never wan born join her pikin. No be she first born that child. She's not married. And Ebony no dey find husband now. If she wants to marry, she go marry. Obiare still dey find money. Wow, too much, eh? So our next comment says, sign na frustration really dey worry you. E don show for your body. Married woman by stupidity. You dey your husband, you still dey miss your ex. Jealous dey worry Shine and Lizzy. Ebony better pass una. See as Lizzy be like Chris. She carry one hell for almost 1 year. Fire hair. I dey share una shame. That Lizzy e no just join at all. That Lizzy no just join at all. As una Mona no just dey call that Lizzy at all. Me, I no know. But I no wan just control way mouth. So let's take our next comment, people. I love you, my Ebony. The man too like drink. I no talk, but all we ask for is peace. You not talk, but you say the man too like drink. Our next commenter can say, riding my bicycle to work. I no fit comment for any post this morning. And our last comment for today, one will they take for here. They can say, Ebony Obasuyi, Ebony, you are right, darling. Do not let anyone trouble you, please. So we end the comment section here today. So my amazing people, God bless you all for your love, your support. God bless you. We really appreciate una love and una support. We appreciate them well. Please, my amazing people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please don't fail to subscribe on your notification bell in case whenever we post a video, una will receive them for we una dey kind. And people, no fail to support us. Grow this channel. Now free to subscribe, not be money. When you subscribe, if you want to subscribe, now that red on when they watch the video, you'll see red that says subscribe. Just touch and subscribe. You don't subscribe, and also touch and again, it go show you the bell. Touch that bell, you don't on the notification bell. In case when we make a una will receive them for we on a day. God bless you, my amazing people, for your lovely support. God bless you. And my last word for Ebony before we end this video today, for Ebony and Shine, nobody should mock them. about nobody should mock Ebony about getting married. Not be by force to marry. Marriage not be achievement, which I say it on my video yesterday. Marriage not be achievement. Mona not dey force her say go marry, go marry. Make she not go end up for wrong person hand. And for Shine, abeg Shine hater, abeg I take God beg una. Mona no dey laugh her again say make she go born, or Mona dey call her barren. E no good. No be she create herself, na God create her. God when create her, if God decide to give her pikin today, she go carry her. So Mona no dey laugh her again say she no fit born. Abeg, una no be her God. Mona no dey laugh her again. And for Ebony, Mona no dey tell Ebony say go marry or make show una boyfriend. E show una boyfriend though, e no change anything. If the guy come for court today, e carry boyfriend come show una today now, tomorrow the guy fuck up. Now una will still come out, they say Ebony dey exchange man up and down. So Mona leave the poor girl. Mona let her live her life. Genevieve, una see her man, abi una don see her boyfriend? Una see say she marry? If Igbo dey disturb her, why our Benin people dey different? Who I wan call again? Dem many, which una know. If Igbo no dey disturb them, why our own dey different? Why our own dey different? Why we no dey value wetin we get? Abeg my people, oh try dey value our thing. Your thing na your thing. If man marry today, e no value a wife, nobody go help am. If una pursue Ebony go outside, na dey talk am for where Igbo dey say we go kill her today. Igbo go join her kill am. Yes. You don't see why? Abeg, I no wan come talk. Mona no say I dey throw mat for our people. I don't want to come to talk. Thank you, my amazing people, for your lovely support. Please don't forget to give this video thumbs up and please share my video. God bless you. Bye.